Hi everyone, olá a todos, welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are going to talk about the A2 level in Portuguese, what it means, what you can do at this stage and how to check if you are ready for it. What A2 means? The A2 level is the elementary level of CEFR scale. I have spoken about this before in my previous videos. This is the Common European Framework for Reference, and it puts into levels how a language could be characterized, so you know which level you need to start and which level you are, from beginners, intermediate to fluency and native. So the A2 is the elementary level of the Common European Framework for Reference. It's the step after A1. So A1 is all about surviving in Portuguese. A2 is about starting to live in Portuguese. What you can do at A2. By the end of A2, you should be able to hold short conversations on familiar topics like family, hobbies, shopping, or travel. Talk about the past and the future, not just the present. Give reasons and connect ideas with words like porque, então, mas. Understand simple texts and short stories when the language is clear. Manage practical situations like booking accommodation or asking for direction. Think of A2 as the level where you can already interact more independently, even if you still make mistakes. How long does it take to get A2? To reach A2, most learners need about 100 to 120 hours of structured study after A1. As the levels increase, the time necessary to dedicate to each level will also increase exponentially. With consistency, you can usually achieve this level in 6 to 9 months. Common challenges at A2 level, learners often struggle with choosing between the two past tenses, pretérito perfeito versus pretérito imperfeito, building longer sentences without hesitation, following native speakers when they speak quick or use slang, and all of these challenges, they are normal. This is totally normal. It's part of moving beyond beginner. Each level brings its own challenges, and all the way to fluent or native, you will still find challenges. But check if you are ready for A2. Let's take a test to your skills. To be at A2, you should be confident with everything from A1. So here are the key questions you need to ask yourself. Can you introduce yourself fully? For example, olá, chamo-me Ana, tenho 25 anos, sou americana e moro em Lisboa. Can you ask and answer basic and personal questions like: de onde és? Qual é a tua profissão? Can you describe your daily routine with simple sentences? De manhã acordo às 7, tomo café e vou trabalhar. Can you order food or drinks in a café or a restaurant? For example, quero café e pastel de nata, por favor. Can you understand very familiar words if spoken slowly and clearly? For example, numbers, prices, or directions. If you answer yes to all of these, Congratulations, you have mastered A1. And this is a quick quiz that can also tell you that you're probably ready for A2. This doesn't mean feeling 100% secure and confident about, but it means that you have a certain level of confidence with this level of A1 that allows you to move forward and expand your vocabulary and knowledge of the language. Where do you see yourself right now? Still at A1, already moving into A2? Tell me in the comments which of these questions felt easy and which ones were a challenge. This video is a practical way to check if A2 is the level you need and want to learn. I often recommend starting with group courses, but of course, the right course depends on each person's journey, and A2 might start feeling like a level in which you feel, I would like to have more of a private interaction with the tutor, and it might make more sense to you now to go into privates. If you would like to start learning with me, you'll find these options in my website. I hope this clarified, and hopefully by the end of this video, you have an idea if this is the level for you or if it's not. Nevertheless, I enjoyed so much spending time with you, and I hope to see you again. Até já!